Suction gone, floors soaking wet. No suction, a high-pitched whistle, and a trail of dirty water? If your Tineco Smart Cordless vacuum is making more noise than progress, you've likely fallen victim to the dreaded hose split. Over time, the flexible internal hose can crack from constant pivoting or get terminally blocked by hair and debris. Ignoring this isn't just about poor cleaning. A leaky hose can send moisture directly into your motor, turning a simple fix into a total hardware funeral. Plus, nobody likes that wet dog smell caused by the trapped gunk. But don't panic. You don't need a new vacuum. You just need a little RoboCare magic. At RoboCare, our technicians are seasoned experts who know the Tineco lineup inside and out. We understand that these machines are precision engineered, which is why we don't believe in quick fixes or duct tape solutions. Our approach is surgical. We perform a full internal diagnostic to ensure no dirty water has reached the electronics. Then we replace the damaged hose with genuine components. We don't just fix the leak, we restore the factory standard suction you expect from your Tineco. But seeing is believing. Let's show you the result. Look at that. Suction is fully restored, the leaks are gone, and it's running whisper quiet. It's not just fixed, it's back to factory fresh performance. No leaks, no whistling, just perfectly clean floors in half the time. That's the RoboCare difference. Ready to restore your Tineco? Contact RoboCare today. Visit our website or call us to schedule your repair. Let's get your vacuum back to work.